Good morning, dear students. Today we will talk about various guidelines for minor project and major project. Basically, these guidelines are related to the writing, various formats, related to the font size, and spacing. First point is, student is requested to go through these guidelines carefully and fully understand the format for the report. The draft report will be summarily rejected if deviation are made. Student must ensure that report is in right format. Content should be logically and effectively presented. There should be no grammatical errors, overwriting and corrections. Printing should be nearly done as per guideline. Language, sentence, formation and formatting should be done accurately. Student will be required to submit 3 copies of corrected draft in case of major project, while 1 copy in case of minor project by each student. The printing should be done only after final corrected draft which is declared by institute. Second point, report is expected to be normally around 6 to 8 chapters, around 50 to 100 pages, excluding appendices and annexures. The normal order of chapter will be introduction, literature review or survey, objectives, theoretical background, methodology and tool, objectives, proposed methodology, expected outcome, result, reference, etc. Third point is, cover page of the report will be dark black color, hard bound with white embossed print in case of major project, and spiral binding in case of minor project. All heading, subheading, running text, font name must be in Times New Roman. Every student must take care about this point. All font will be Times New Roman only. The printing of the material inside the report will be in font 12. The running text, for running text, it should be 12 and 1.5 spacing between the lines. 2 space between 2 spaces between paragraphs, printed on whiteboard paper, single side print with 1 inch, that is 2.54 millimeter, 2.54 centimeter on all sides. We are talking about margin. Nowhere text or heading, subheading will be underlined and italic. Take care about this point. Please don't use underline and italic as much as possible. Sixth point is, template for standard pages of the report may be obtained from department in hard or soft form. Templates are also being emailed for references to all students. Students are strictly follow the pattern of font and style of standard pages as per template. So department will provide you template, or project coordinator will supply you the template. So please follow that template to avoid the problems or mistakes. List of figures, list of tables, list of symbols, list of abbreviations, preface will be arranged in same order appearing immediately after content page. These will be numbered in Roman numbers. So please write these pages only in Roman numbers. 8th point is all the chapter heading will be in bold. Capital font 20. Chapter subheading will be bold font 16. You can see as we are going to the further level of headings, font is going to be decrease. So you can start with 20, then further you can use 16, then further subheading 14, then finally font size 12 for running text. All will be numbered chapter 1, subchapter 1.1, 1.2, sub-chapters. Basically these are the headings. Not the chapter. Headings. Chapter is a wrong word here. So as heading level is going to be increased, so you have to give the number like 1, then 1.1, 1.2, then for the next level of heading you can write 1.1.1, 1.1.2, 1.1.3 like this. For easy understand, you can pick up any textbook of your engineering. You can go and see the index or content page. So you can see the same writing method of these numbering in any textbook. Figures and table will be numbered related to subchapters. Figure 1.2, 1.1, 2.2, table 1.1, 1.2, 2.2. Suppose there is a diagram which is in second chapter. So if it is the second figure of second chapter, so you will write 2.2, and if it is third diagram of chapter 2, you will write figure 2.3. And same as in case of table. If it is a first table of chapter 1, then you will write 1.1. If it is the table of second chapter and first table, so you will write 2.1. Figures and table should be appear in the page where they are referred. 9th point is colored photograph or table may be used in the report if required for the sake of clarity. Color printing will not be used in report anywhere except for photographs and tables. Use of color of photograph tables is optional. They may be also black and white. Reference will be numbered in bracket, arranged alphabetically, author wise, giving surnames of authors followed by initial as they appear in actual punctuation. So if you are writing reference in the last chapter of thesis, project report, so this is the format in which you can write the reference. These are the writer's name. This is the title. This is a reference paper name, research paper name, and this is the page number and volume and year. So in this manner you can also write references. All references will be necessarily cross-referenced in the report text. It means if you are writing any reference in the reference chapter, they must be used in your whole PPT or report, whatever. Student will be required to publish minimum one research paper. It is optional in case of minor and major project, but if you do this, it is more appreciable. So please write one research paper if possible. Back cover inside will contain a jacket where you can keep a soft copy of your report. So you must attach a soft copy of your report at the last page of your final report. So these are the guidelines, and every student will have to give the undertaking of students after reading all 14 points. And if you have any confusion regarding any guideline, you can call me. Thanks for today.